Are you looking for a class that will help your teen not only learn but stay motivated and confident?
皆さん、こんにちは。私の名前はリリーです。
Your child will be learning from Lily, a native Japanese speaker who grew up in Japan and now lives in the US. Lily has extensive experience coaching students online. She has already taught over 2,400 classes and worked with more than 70 students, and she continues to help learners succeed.
This Japanese class is designed for small groups, providing teens with ample opportunities to speak and practice in a supportive environment. Your teen will benefit from personalized attention that encourages active participation and builds confidence. Lily's class structure allows students to focus and make consistent progress. Studying alongside peers of a similar age fosters collaboration and motivation, making the learning experience both fun and engaging. Lily's class follows the grammar and other topics outlined in the Genki textbook. The textbook consists of 12 chapters in total. In this beginner 1 level, we will only cover chapter 1, but as the levels progress, this textbook will be used extensively. This class is designed to provide a solid foundation for beginners, focusing on essential skills and practical knowledge. Here's what you'll be mastering throughout the course. Point 1. Mastering hiragana. Learn the fundamental Japanese writing system. Point 2. Counting up to 10,000. Practice numbers and counting in Japanese. Point 3. Basic greetings. Learn essential daily greetings in Japanese.
こんにちは、おはよう。
Point 4. Asking and answering questions. Practice forming and responding to questions. Point 5. Self-introductions. Learn how to introduce yourself. Point 6. Focus on speaking practice to improve fluency. Parents, please support your child in adjusting the settings to ensure classmates and the coach clearly hear their voices. Point 7. Japanese culture. Learn about Japanese traditions and cultural aspects. Dear parents, this class is designed as a small group setting to ensure that each student has plenty of opportunities to speak, listen, read, and write. I want to carefully support each student's learning progress. Since students will be speaking frequently, both in conversations with classmates and individually, having a properly functioning microphone is essential. If the microphone quality is poor, other students won't be able to hear, making conversations difficult. Additionally, it becomes challenging for me to correct mistakes effectively. While most people naturally focus on their speaker settings to hear well, I kindly ask you to also check your child's microphone settings. Please ensure that the volume and audio quality are sufficient for clear communication. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated to create the best learning environment for all students.
私と一緒に日本語を勉強しませんか？楽しみにしています。ではまたクラスで会いましょう。
Let's meet at the class together. Bye bye.